Hello there, I'm Bento, a digital documentary specialist. Today we are uncovering the truth behind pesticides, separating myths from fact. Glenn Bento end with pesticides. We've just arrived after local farmers reported something alarming overnight. At first glance, everything seems normal, until you look closer. This is one of Africa's most destructive crop pests, the Fall Armyworm, Spodotera frugipada. A single caterpillar may look harmless, but thousands feeding together can strip entire fields of leaves in just days. Without healthy leaves, the plant can't photosynthesize efficiently, starving itself of the energy it needs to grow and produce grain. This is exactly why pesticides are essential. When used responsibly, they protect crops before pests can destroy entire harvests, helping farmers save God's food and livelihoods. Today, we've only scratched the surface by exploring the impact insects can have on our crops and why this topic matters. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into pesticides, how they work, and how to use them safely and responsibly. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next episode.